2019 Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, backup camera, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.